Hey guys, quick video for you. What are the best alternatives to Aternos that you have to be aware of? So the first one is a very popular one, that's a Felix nodes. And what about the Felix nodes and how it actually operates? So first thing first, you have 4 GB RAM free, more than most of the competitors. Also, another things about the Felix nodes: no QoS system, full mode and plugin support, modern AMD Ryzen hardware, upload your own files, multiple server locations. So the server sleeps after 20 minutes idle, that's like the con, 100 MB file upload limit, lots of ads. Now another one is Minehut. So the Minehut, and how does it work? Instant setup, no QoS, unlimited free servers, built-in community, unlimited plugin slots, very beginner friendly. So you have 4-hour daily playtime limit, only 1 GB of RAM, 10 players slot max, and US server only. So this is something also is interesting one and something to be aware of. Now the next one is Minefort. Minefort, pre-built game templates, no playtime limits, cross-platform support, 20 player slots, 10 GB storage, DDoS protection. The cons is that server freezes if not used for a day, servers only in Canada, ads on free tier, so that's something to be aware of, and also must pay to unfreeze inactive servers. The Server Pro supports Minecraft, Terraria, Hytale, a web-based console, plugin management included. Also long QoS, so you have longer QoS for this. Also must renew every hour and limited resources. And then you can have also the free MC server, so you can earn credits by staying active. Credits upgrade your resources, no QoS system. But the cons is that you have slow credit earning, not good for modded servers, and best only for vanilla play. So these are the ones that I recommend to check out. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.